Guys, this is Sanjib Bhattacharya. Joined PCS in last 1 month, and I am a non-technical guy, very average student from very beginning, and but I have joined PCS to learn technology as it is required. And you all know this is a information age. We should all be aware what is happening in the information front. My background is a non-technical. I am purely a finance guy, and I thought of excelling my skills through PCS Global. Today I will speak about PCS, what PCS is doing. This PCS is a complete gateway, is a company which has emerged as a powerhouse who build freshers to strong developer in the industry, who will be fit for all jobs pertaining to IT arena, for as per as the industry requirement. Now PCS PCS is also have 4 verticals. What is these 4 verticals? I will express that. The 4 verticals is PCS is having a software development wing, where the company, lot of company in pan India, they are requiring a lot of software requirement is that as per as the business is concerned. PCS is providing solutions for them. Secondly, PCS is providing training, a lot of training for individuals, corporate and all that. Third, PCS is also giving solutions and consultancy front. Okay, and that fourth is also there, that technical support for the individual and companies, that area also PCS is providing. Now, whatever the technical support PCS is giving, PCS is also providing, whenever the training is complete, PCS is also providing all freshers for outsourcing opportunity. That is, as they are building the talents, they are pushing the talents to the industry also. So that is the biggest point of PCS. So PCS, you can treat, it's a complete gateway to the industry, IT industry, because whoever may be learning, because PCS will hold your hands for your learning. A lot of companies are there in the market. Definitely you can take I can take a lot of name, but that we will not take. We will take that PCS, what PCS can do. PCS is always with you to to take you, to nurture you, to groom with you, and to place you in proper field. And I will tell you, because in my experience I have seen that you should be passionate for learning always, and be fearless when you are delivering or executing as far as your service is concerned. And in IT, this is the only industry, what I have learned, that there is ample opportunity, huge opportunity in future, that you can upgrade your skill. Whatever the salary package you are drawing, that also you can amply magnify your package, and that is possible in the IT industry. So I will give you a story. You will be I have recently from the your this thing, क्या है जो आपका ये है ना, यूट्यूब से उस दिन मैं देख रहा था, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. कोई साउथ में कोई इंस्टीट्यूट था. ओके, so I am speaking in Hindi because both the language should be there, because people who are not able to take English also, they can learn. उसमें क्या हुआ, ये सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वो ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट का पीछे बैठा था. तो उस टाइम ट्रेनर ने क्या कर रहा था, पाइथन का क्लास ले रहा था. तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. एक दिन पाइथन का क्लास होता है आईटी में, कुछ दिन एसक्यूएल का क्लास होता है, कोई दिन आपका मान लीजिए C++ का क्लास होता है. तो ही इज़ वेरी अटेंटिव. तो इंस्टीट्यूट जो ट्रेनर लोग होता है ना, वो नोटिस भी करते हैं, और बीच बीच में देखता है, वो रूम अराउंड करता है, बट वो नोटबुक लेके कुछ तो नोटिंग करता है. तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. उसको तो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मिला नहीं, बिकॉज वो तो नौकरी सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का करते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट में. तो आप सोचो उसको कितना पैकेज मिलता होगा. Just imagine a security guard, how much is drawing in an institute, not in a company? Maybe 1 to 2 lakh, right? And that guy suddenly got a scope, to talk to an institute teacher who is a very reputed teacher in the IT field. Somehow we got connected. He told, sir, मेरे को थोड़ा सा आपसे डिस्कस करना, मेरे को थोड़ा स्किल सीखना है. तो उसको उन्होंने क्या किया, उसको बुलाया उनका ऑफिस में, उसके इंस्टीट्यूट में बुला के देखा है. तो बोला तुमको क्या क्या मालूम है? तो जैसे बोला तो उन्होंने बोला मैंने देखिए ये नोट है, मेरे को ये चीज़ मालूम है, मैं थोड़ा बहुत पाइथन भी जानता हूँ, ये भी जानता हूँ. तो कुछ क्वेश्चन टीचर ने उसको पूछा, तो जो जवाब दिया है टीचर बोला ही इज ए गोल्ड माइन, हाउ कैन ही लर्न. तब बोले तुम क्या करते हो? तो बोला सर मैंने तो इंस्टीट्यूट में नौकरी करता हूँ. तो बोला तुमको कितना मिलता है? बोला सर मेरे को साल में 1 से 1.5 लाख रुपया मिलता है. टीचर ने क्या किया, उसको सीधा सीधा वो जॉब छोड़ने के लिए बोला और उसको बोला ठीक है तुमको जो तनख्वाह मिला मैं तुमको दूंगा. और उन्होंने ठान कर लिया है कि इसको तो मैं सिखाने वाला हूँ. सो जैसे सिखाया उसको, जैसे वो लर्न हुआ है धीरे, उसको क्या हुआ, व्हाट हैपेंड, तो आपको तो मालूम है 4 मंथ्स का भी कोर्स मिलता है, 3 मंथ्स का भी कोर्स. उनको पूछा है कि तुमको कौन अच्छा लगता है? तो बोला सर मेरे को पाइथन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वो मेरे को प्रोग्रामिंग अच्छा लगता है, तो उसमें काम है, तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा सिखाएंगे, वो कोड का थोड़ा मेरे को कुछ डाउट है. तो बोला कोई बात नहीं, आई विल हेल्प यू लॉट. तो धीरे धीरे उसको जहाँ जहाँ प्रॉब्लम था वो पूरा सॉल्व किया है. तो ही इज़ ऑल्सो गेटिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टेड. तो ना वो पाइथन तो बहुत सीख लिया. तो टीचर ने बोला चलो तुमको तो सैलरी तो मैं दे रहा हूँ, अभी तुम्हारा जॉब भी मैं लगाऊंगा, इतना तुम्हारा जुनून है अंदर में, तुमको जॉब भी दिलाऊंगा. व्हाट हैपेंड, he got a company, he's got a immediate offer in a good company, in a reputed company as a developer with a package of 9 lakh. Can you imagine? A person who is security guard, he's cracking the interview, that too in a fast track, in one shot. Of course, he's a good luck. And even that teacher is very, satisfied that क्या है उसका. अभी टीचर का भी सोचो कि टीचर भी क्या किया है, वो भी क्या किया है. इट्स ए विन विन एफर्ट फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. बट आप सोचो कि मैंने अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही आपको बोला कि एनॉर्मस स्किल है, मैंने एनॉर्मस अपॉर्चुनिटी है. तो उसका अंदर में ये जुनून है. तो हम अगर सोचेगा कि हम नॉन टेक्निकल है, हम बीए है, बीएससी है, बीकॉम है, हमसे कुछ होने वाला नहीं, ये गलत है. ये दिमाग से निकल जाना चाहिए. हमको अगर अंदर में सीखना है आईटी को, क्या है आईटी में, ऐसा मत सोचो कि खाली वो बीटेक वाला को भी सीखना है, कंप्यूटर साइंस एमसीए बीसीए किया उसको सीखना है. ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. इफ यू हैव विल यू कैन विन. दैट इज द मोटो ऑफ दिस स्टोरी व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन यू. सो यू कैन अपग्रेड योर सेल्फ. बट जो मैंने बोला ना, यू हैव टू बी पैशनेट एवरी डे. वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, simultaneously you upgrade your skill, you excel your skill, you can get better opportunity, you can be posted in better place, and your earning will be, you should not run after money, money will run after you. Because when you have acquired knowledge, you have acquired your skill, you showcase your skill, then only you can sell it off in the market, and people are there to grab you in the industry for better performance. Why people are hiring good people, good skill? Because they want a good people to be associated with them for better execution, better planning, better design and all that. If you can be fit, you can provide that. Money is not a matter. They will always money. Whether it is domestic, whether it is international market, it's a global economy. You can run around from India, abroad, anywhere in this world to get your opportunity, to grab your opportunity. That is the point. Now, coming back to another point, what I will explain you, that in an organization you have seen lot of post. It is especially for fresher. Probably you are going for college, you are passing for college. What is your this thing, that how I will be placed now? First effort, I will get a small job. Job is always there. First you have to be placed. Don't mind whatever of place you are getting, whatever designation you are getting, whatever package you are getting, you have to take that this is your first opportunity. You have to take this. You have to thank God that you got this opportunity with your competency, and then upgrade yourself. Because in organization also, whenever you are in college, have you think that you did a group study? Why you did a group study? I hope that you made a group study. मैंने एक साथ में सब मिल के जुल के पढ़ाई किया है. क्यों किया है? क्योंकि that is exchange of your knowledge. As you did exchange of your knowledge, what happened? You acquire knowledge more. Knowledge does not have any dead end. It's always have a diversion. So what has happened? So in the process of acquiring knowledge, you gained a lot, and then only you have scored marks, whether first class, first division, whatever good marks, and then you have placed in the industry. Now, same way, so that is in your college also, that is a good team of your friends. Similarly, in an organization, that is also working as a team. In a cricket field, that is also a very good team. Otherwise, a cricket match cannot be win. A football team always having a good team. So, in an organization, that is also a good team. Our organization is having a good CEO, with a good CFO, with a good HR team, with a good execution, design, planning, developer, everywhere are, that is a team. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of team. Whenever you are getting into an organization, you have to fit yourself there. Think that you are a team member of your organization, apart being your designation what company has given. Unless you think that you are a team member, you will not be able to excel in your life. Okay? Whenever in a company HR is hiring a person, he is always thinking whether he is fit emotionally, personally, or all angle interpersonal skill, competency, communication, everywhere they will look into, because they have their standard of policies are there. Whether this person is coming as a fresher or is coming from another company, he will be fit for this company. Why they are thinking in this way? They have already a formed team, and now you are a new entity is coming into fit for this team. So if you express the team, TEAM, what is that team? Always, wherever any organization, entity, or any company is hiring people, so they will first see that member is having a talent or not. The first T stands for talent. Then coming your E. What is E? E for energetic. A person in your team should be highly energetic. Then coming your alphabet A, which is termed as ambitious. Whether your team member is ambitious. And the last, not the least, is M, that is motivation or motivated. Whether he or she is motivated, self-driven, और उसको धक्का मारना पड़ता है टीम में. अगर किसी को धक्का मार के काम करना पड़ता है तो वो तो टीम में बहुत ट्रबल लेके आएंगे. तो एक टीम में अगर हर पर्सन का कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट रहेगा, वो एनर्जेटिक भी रहेगा, वो उसका एम्बिशन भी रहेगा, वो मोटिवेटेड भी रहेगा, वो तो टीम अच्छा ही करेगा ना. तो आप सोचो, उसके लिए तो कभी इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप क्यों जीतते हैं? जिस दिन इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप T20 या कुछ भी जीता है, उसी दिन सेम दिन डेफिनेटली वो पर्टिकुलर डे में ऑस्ट्रेलिया और कोई भी ओपोनेंट टीम से अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. इन ऑल दिस एस्पेक्ट्स व्हाट आई एम वर्च्यूज जो मैंने अभी बोला आपको, उसमें तो डेफिनेटली दे हैव एक्सेल्ड that time. So team has performed in all the department well. That's why the team won the match. Whether it is football, whether in organization, whether anywhere. So team is always like that. So you always think that you are a team member. So that is the point, that you should think that you are in a team. Okay. So today I think it is enough for me as a fast introductory video from PCS side, as I am being this thing grantee member of the company on behalf of speaking. And next onwards I will bring lot of service oriented individual multivarious videos in front of you to speak to you in length whatever the services or products PCS is offering for you, which you can be trained gradually in a program format, and then you can learn and excel and be better placed in future. Thank you. Good luck.